So in today's video, we're going to look at using the me function to reference a control on a form versus using the actual form name. So first of all, let's just take a look at this. We've got two ways this is set up. One is set up using the me function. So this is just me, and then this field here is called txt username, and we'll design this in a second. Look at it, or we can reference it the long way. So I just want to show you that this code will get you this exact same thing. So if I press submit button and induct this, you can see that this, if I put this into the watch window, the value is test. So that is what is on the screen, and that is correct, and that's working. And if I was to go forward, it would display that. But this also will show me the exact same thing. So these two things are the same. They're one and the same. And here you have that used as well. So let's just design this for a second. So if I look at this code again, so one of the reasons to use me is because it's very easy to reference. So let's rewrite this code here and put this in equals me dot. And then it brings up all the controls in the form. And this started txt. So here it is, txt username. And I'm done. Obviously without the equals, without the minus sign. And I'm done. This is much longer to write out. So when you're using a control and your code is within the form, you can use this me. It's a lot easier and quicker. One reason I do like this is because if you're ever looking at this code later, or if you need to move this code into a module for some reason, you won't be able to use me. If you're in a module, you have to actually reference the form because you're no longer in the form. The module, if you put me, would be referring to itself, which there's no controls in the module. So it's nice sometimes to have this written out because then it's easy to see. You know exactly what it's referencing. But as far as speed to actually code this, the me dot is a lot quicker. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please also share. Please go ahead and check out my other videos on my page. Have a great day.